First Friday. Send them.
Today we're having egg sandwich.
Good boy.
Bread, fruit salad ni Kuya Tikoy. And pancit bihon right now.
Bala ka, I'm basing off this alarm.
Ay, nagtaka pa man kanina. Ay, tapos nandito sa dam. Ready to eat, Kuya Tikoy. Ready to eat na rin. Si Mama. Si Papa. Tweety Kitty. Dadap na.
Bro, send that to me. Sana pinat yan. Nagluan yan. Nagluan ni Mama.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is it today? What day is it today? First Friday, Ramadan. Yay. Tarawih. Yeah. Ay, huwag kayo magsalita.
Wala na, naka-iftar na tayo. Pwede na tayo
Tarawih.
Ilan sila dun? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ano sa'yo? Tama sa... Ilang years sila sa Thailand? Oo. Tapos ano sila dito kasi parang...
Day 4. Day 4? Oh, day 4.
Okay.
Some jerk there turned off the aircon.
We tried to call Jacob.
We tried to call every guy that we know there, but they're useless.
Ayan. This is Sachi. This is your third night going Tarawih.
Over there,
This is mission failed namin. This one is a mission failed. We're waiting for Tarawih.
at the end because it is Maghrib somewhere.
We're salty. This is Jacob and his
Sila lang?
Mama is so mad at the music as usual. Mommy, you know what? This is an update because it's currently 5:50, 5:43 I think. Go to that. Losing her mind. Losing her mind. Papa is thinking. It's like process. Mama is bored. Mommy is mommy. Squeaky toy. Squeaky is sick. Look at this.
Yeah. May magpasok ka.
This is Katie.
Tissue ka daw.
Oh yeah, I have tissue. I brought my digicam with me today. Digital camera.
Show me, show me.
G50.
Show me.
This is Katie. She loves using it.
That's omelette.
And that's After suhoor, this is take 2 by the way, and Sophie just finished suhoor with us, and now he's ready to go back to sleep as usual. Look at him. Go back to sleep now. Come on. Tweety, what's the time today?
6:57. 6:07.
What do you have for sharing this cookie?
Kinder Choco Chip and Oreo Frappe.
I have iced oat Spanish latte, a break from matcha. That's Omer. I think she has coffee latte. And that's Oreo Frappe, and chocolate frappe. That's Kitty right there.
Today is February 24, 7:15.
Came back from the coffee shop.
Yeah, we just ate.
And this is Tita. She's talking with Anne. Today, the hooligans are back.
Again! Okay, again. Go on! Go! One, two, three! Release them! Oh, shit, everybody.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7!
This is Hisha. Why?
Oh no, stop! Uy, totoo man! Uy, pinicture mo ako? Pakita.
Pangit.
Alina, bro!
Go!
Uy, may pila
man! Ang laki!
Ito na yung buong video. Lahat na talaga si Isabella Lopez.
I'm a lonely boy!
Okay, so the field when we're trying to go to the scooter because it's only 18 above and I'm 18 below. Right? So let's go to Namacha Tokyo. Iniwan na lang namin sila doon.
Or let's just run around.
Today, since nakakuha ako ng magandang score sa math exam. Okay, I ordered matcha float. This is Tweety and her ice.
My Hojicha cheesecake is not here yet.
That's Tito Mac right there. And they're eating. Burnt cheesecake. Sila yun. Okay, starting point namin ng paglalakad.
Matcha Tokyo. This is where we start.
Sa Tokyo. Look at Hisha. Swimming. Go jogging. 1, 2, 3, go.
Anong shortcut? Dito ako dito.
Hoy, nadaanan ko na to. Hindi yung shortcut.
Shortcut?
Bro. What? Bahala ka, bro.
Dito na
Kung ano? Nakakatakot. Nakapunta na kami doon ni Ate B. Ha? Uy guys, there's a cat.
Hindi ko alam anong nasa nito.
Guys, these are my most embarrassing cousins.
Uy, reverse mo yung pagdaan natin.
It's the same. It's the same. Okay, maglalakad-lakad yung mga fatties and first time mag-exercise. Ayan, gabi. Wow, that lasted 3 seconds. Wow. Guys, ito si Hisham and he already wants to go home. At hindi pa kami nag-halfway. He already wants to go home.
I didn't say that. Yo, I still want to go there.
Okay, these are the...
This is your father's in the past. We're gangsters. Pag sindikado,
Naalala ko yung nag-edit si Binis ng Dadadayan Family.
Y'all are weird.
Baho! Nagawa ng dalawa. Daming tao!
Mga abno!
First time na nila maglakad.
Ikaw na.
Guys, ang baho!
Ikaw yun na to. Ito maglalakad.
Community like this.
Taga-bukid kami!
Oh, taga-slums.
So stop.
Yan yung paano nila siya mo.
Let's ask for direction.
Kaya, hell no.
Ito sa kanila.
Ah, oh my Yaman! Doon ako. Turn back. You act like first time nyo dito. It's embarrassing.
Batadan!
Okay, we successfully made it. Ang papuntang round.
Dito natin random girls sa circle time.
Oh, ya Allah.
Uy, sama kayo sa'yo. Ikaw sabihan. Kanina po.
Y'all are really off. I'm going. Bye-bye.
After na namin mag lakad-lakad. And now, these
Alam mo na
embarrassing people.
nakita namin yung girl for the nakita namin yung girl for the first time. Ganun. Yung hindi na natin na hallway. Ganun. Then next, nakita namin after namin mag-shortcut, nakita namin siya ulit. Nakaganon pa rin.
Juliana. Pero Bella.
Kasi 10 yung sa'yo.
Bigyan nyo kami ng evidence.
Give me evidence that I like cake.
At si Juliana.
I don't even know who
Si Juliana,
See?
oy. Isabella Lopez.
Galit na si Tito Saddam.
Yung taga dito si Tito Sonob. Kasi probably mga truck farmers, mga rednecks.
Chill, Tito Saddam.
Mga rednecks ito. Hey guys, uuwi na.
To be continued.